Hello everyone, my name is Cam, and welcome back to another RAMShard Minecraft tutorial. Before we get started, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to easily unban someone from your Minecraft server. Starting out, you can either do this from the console or from in-game. To do this from the console, head to the control panel, then go to the console tab. Find the text box, then type pardon, space, and the username that you want to unban. After you do so, hit enter or click the send button. Now, if you want to do this from in-game, open the chat, starting it with a slash, typing \pardon, space, and their username. And that is how you easily unban a user from your server. Thanks for watching.